So we are thrilled to have Dr. Asmita, who's a senior microbiologist, and she's also the head of Department of Microbiology and Molecular Biology at Bombay Hospital. So good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay, thanks for agreeing to guide us on this campaign.
Thank you for inviting me for your podcast.
Yeah, so we have a few questions.
Yeah, please.
So to begin with, could you tell us what are bacteria, microbes, and microorganisms?
So basically, microbes and microorganisms are the same. Bacteria are one of the types of microorganisms. Microorganisms are the organisms which are very minute in size. We cannot see them with naked eyes. We have to use microscope to visualize them. And they are responsible for causing various diseases.
Oh, that's great. So, amongst bacteria, virus, and fungus, which is the most notorious in making humans suffer and die?
This bacteria and viruses mostly are notorious ones, fungi also, but fungal infections are seen most probably in people who are having a lower immune system. Normally they do not cause infections in healthy individuals. So bacteria and viruses for sure are more dangerous.
So, is it true that newer and newer versions of these organisms are cropping every day? Like, what is happening?
Yeah, newer versions means new strains of bacteria, you can say. In terms of bacteria, new strains means bacteria which were earlier sensitive to many antibiotics, they are gaining resistance to antibiotics due to various reasons, like inadvertent use of antibiotics. There is a genetic mutation among the bacteria for their survival in the community. So that those are the newer variants of bacteria, we can say. Regarding viruses, there are certain viruses which were not pathogenic in humans, but they have crossed the species barrier. The best example is coronavirus. It was everybody knows that it emerged from the seafood market of Wuhan, China. So, and this has occurred. Swine flu, another example, which causes flu in pigs. It crossed the species barrier from pigs to humans. The Nipah viral infection is another example wherein it's a fruit bat virus which has crossed the species barrier from fruit bats to humans. So those are the newer viral infections which are coming up right now.
So, based on the antibiotic susceptibility testing in your lab, do you believe that we are rapidly running out of antibiotics to cure life-threatening infections?
Yes, we are actually. We are having a lot of multi-drug resistant organisms coming up in the hospital as well as in the community. So yes.
Okay, and lastly, what message would you like to give to our listeners?
The most important message is appropriate use of antibiotics is need of our today, because we are in an era of antimicrobial resistance. So we have to promote judicious use of antibiotics, not only in hospitals, in the community also.
Okay, thank you for your time, and yeah, thank you for the insight you've given.
Thank you very much.